This frozen pizza starts as simple dough. But what happens inside this factory is far more advanced than most people imagine. Every day, thousands of pizzas move through giant automated production lines, where robots spread the sauce, cheese falls like rain, and toppings are placed with incredible precision. Massive industrial ovens cook each pizza in minutes before freezing systems rapidly lock in the flavor, texture, and freshness. From raw ingredients to the frozen pizzas found in supermarkets across America, the process is one of the most efficient food production systems on Earth. Welcome to FORGE VISTA. Today, we're going inside the factory to reveal how frozen pizza is really mass-produced. Frozen pizza may look simple when it comes out of your freezer, but making millions of identical pizzas requires incredible precision. Inside this massive factory, the process begins with one of the most important ingredients, the dough. Huge industrial mixers combine flour, water, yeast, oil, and other ingredients into a smooth, elastic mixture. The dough is then transferred onto a high-speed production line, where automated machines carefully portion and flatten it into perfectly even pizza bases. Every base must have the same thickness and shape, because even a small difference can affect how the pizza cooks later. But the dough is only the beginning. Next, these perfectly prepared bases move toward a stage that adds the flavor consumers recognize instantly. The first real layer of flavor now goes onto the pizza. As the dough bases move along the production line, automated machines spread a precise layer of rich tomato sauce across every pizza. The amount is carefully controlled, so every bite has the same balance of flavor. Next comes the cheese. Thousands of pounds of shredded cheese are continuously delivered to the line and distributed evenly across the sauce. Then, at incredible speed, automated systems begin placing toppings onto each pizza. Pepperoni, vegetables, and other ingredients are positioned with remarkable precision. But the pizza still isn't ready. Before these pizzas can be frozen and packaged, they must first pass through a massive industrial oven. Inside the massive oven, everything changes. The pizzas travel through a carefully controlled baking chamber, where intense heat begins transforming the soft dough into a firm, golden crust. The tomato sauce heats up, while the cheese melts into a smooth layer across the surface. Every pizza moves at precisely controlled speed, because even a few extra seconds in the oven can change its texture and appearance. Advanced sensors continuously monitor temperature, color, and cooking conditions throughout the line. And when the pizzas finally emerge, they look and smell completely different, but they're still not ready for your freezer. The moment the pizzas leave the oven, the next challenge begins: cooling them down quickly. Freshly baked pizzas enter a powerful cooling system, where controlled streams of cold air rapidly lower their temperature. Then they move into an ultra-cold freezing tunnel. Inside, temperatures drop dramatically, locking in the pizza's texture, toppings, and flavor, while preventing unwanted moisture from damaging the crust. Sensors continuously monitor the temperature of each pizza as it moves through the freezing process. Only pizzas that meet strict quality standards continue down the line. Now the pizzas are frozen and ready for their final transformation. But there's still one last stage before they can leave the factory. The final stage is where these pizzas become ready for the shelves. Frozen pizzas enter a high-speed packaging line, where automated machines carefully place each pizza into protective packaging. The packages are sealed, labeled, and inspected to make sure everyone meets the strict production standards. Next, robotic systems organize the finished pizzas into shipping cartons and stack them onto pallets. From there, the pallets move into massive refrigerated warehouses where temperatures remain carefully controlled. Finally, refrigerated trucks transport the pizzas to stores and supermarkets across the country. From a simple ingredients to a frozen meal ready for your freezer, every pizza has passed through a remarkable chain of precision and automation. And that's how a modern factory turns raw ingredients into the frozen pizza sitting in your freezer.